How to remove applications in Windows 11. You can remove any installed apps and programs from your Windows 11 computer to increase the available storage. Click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Search for and open Settings. In the left pane, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Review the app list for any apps that you no longer use or need. Windows 11 will also show you the space occupied by each application next to the app name. You can also sort apps by their size, name, and install date. Note: do not uninstall an application if you are unsure of what it is. Uninstalling critical applications might cause your computer to not work correctly. To uninstall an application, click the Options button next to the app name and then select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish uninstalling the application. Return to the app list and repeat the process to remove any additional applications. Once you are done uninstalling apps, restart the computer to use the freed storage space. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.